After spending $12,000 to $20,000 on a 48-inch dual fuel professional range, you would think it would meet all your needs. In fact, most people are pushed into buying the wrong range or brand for the way they cook. In this video, you'll learn the best dual fuel 48-inch professional ranges, their pros and cons. You want to match that for the way you use the range. At the end, I'll show you a radically different range from a new yet upcoming brand that nobody is talking about. To maintain impartiality, we do not accept payment from any of these manufacturers in exchange for a mention on our blog or YouTube channel. This list is comprised of the best features, and unlike all the other popular YouTubers, reliability from logging over 37,000 plus service calls just last year and over 100,000 in the last 3 years. Now let's help you pick out that range. Wolf is a well-respected cooking brand owned by Sub-Zero and made in the USA. They're best known for their professional style ranges with their signature red knobs. Let's look at Wolf's best features. One of the best features of this range is its infrared grill and griddle that can reach temperatures as high as 16 and 15,000 BTU respectively. Wolf's grill operates like an outdoor grill's infrared sear zone, and along with Monogram is the only infrared grill still available in a pro range. In addition to the grill and griddle, Wolf offers a French top option. It looks like a griddle but functions very differently. French top is designed to vary the heat outward so you can cook many items at different temperatures. The Wolf 48-inch dual fuel features upgraded burners that are much more powerful than their all-gas models. Wolf's dual fuel ranges have multiple 20 and 18,000 BTU burners compared to the 15 in their all-gas models. The oven in the Wolf 48-inch Pro dual fuel range is recently updated with Vertiflow convection to move air faster using twin fans now, and 2 larger heating elements to deliver more consistent temperatures for better baking. The clock and timer have also been replaced with an LCD touchscreen. Wolf Gourmet is a guided cooking program that allows you to select the food and how you like it cooked. Wolf's Gourmet program will choose the exact time and temperature for your food and even determine the best rack position for optimal cooking. You also have 50 built-in recipes to choose from. The new Wolf Wi-Fi system is available in just their dual fuel ranges, allowing you to control your Sub-Zero refrigerator, Cove dishwasher, and Wolf range in the same app. Service is critical, especially if you're buying from a store without service, which you probably are. Wolf typically has amongst the best service and support for a premier brand. However, you should check reviews on all brands where you live. However, Wolf ranges lack the specialty features like steam and induction featured in other pro ranges like Miele and Thermador. Additionally, they do not offer any color options, but are due to have white and black models out later this year. BlueStar is another family-owned American company that specializes in professional cooking equipment. BlueStar is renowned for its commercial style and high BTU output. The company's latest dual fuel range features 4 burners at 25,000 BTU and 4 to 18,000 for the highest level BTU for any range, and a griddle model is also available. One of the standout features of this new range is its sealed 8-point burner, which, according to them, provides a larger cooking surface than competitors' models. The LCD screen, which like Wolf is a 7-inch control panel offering 8 different cooking modes. Main oven's convection can operate an 18 by 26-inch commercial sheet pan. The BlueStar range is highly customizable with over 1,000 color options and 10 trims available. So if you want that fire engine red or canary yellow range with an antique brass trim, BlueStar can make it. Over 75% of BlueStar ranges are purchased in a finish other than stainless at Yale. However, it's important to note that the dual fuel model does not include a grill option or any guided cooking, despite the full color touchscreen. Thermador is owned by Bosch. It's a popular cooking brand that offers ranges with good rebate programs. Though BSH is a German company, Thermador products are manufactured in the US. Thermador offers 15 different 48-inch ranges, ranging from 10,500 to 19,000. However, the decision can be made almost by process of elimination. The first choice you need to make with Thermador is whether you want to buy their Pro Grand or Pro Harmony series range. The Pro Grand series is the commercial looking of the 2 with a larger oven and 1 high 22,000 BTU burner. Also, the Pro Grand series offers steam ovens, warming drawers, and an induction option for the stovetop. On the other hand, the Pro Harmony is still popular because it does not protrude from your cabinets, unlike the larger capacity Pro Grand. The Thermador Pro Harmony is also less expensive. Both ranges have star burners with a combination of 18 and 15,000 BTUs, which can simmer at 100 degrees on 2 extra low burners. Wolf is higher, but is consistent, whereas Thermador is an on-off to achieve an overall lower temperature. Thermador star burners are raised, unlike regular seal burners, for easy cleaning as well. Thermador has decent smart functionality through the Bosch Home Connect app. Like Wolf, you can access recipes. However, Thermador only features a single convection oven and no color options. It should be noted that their electric griddles are not as fast as gas, and there are no other options like grills or French tops. Monogram is a luxury appliance brand owned by GE and Haier, and has recently launched new professional ranges, including a new 48-inch smart dual fuel range. Let's start there. The Monogram Smart Range allows you to connect their Smart HQ app to numerous recipe apps. The best 48-inch range has a front burner connected to the Heston Q system, which provides you step-by-step recipe guidance. Monogram's burners are made of more durable brass. Only the La Cornue range, priced at over $50,000, features brass burners as opposed to cast aluminum. Burner outputs are impressive, with one 23,000 BTU, one 21,000, and two 15,000 BTU burner. Monogram Pro range comes with an infrared grill and griddle. The grill and griddle both offer high heat output, with the grill capable of producing up to 14,000 BTU, and the griddle being the hottest at 18,000. You can also set the temperature, unlike other brands, and cook by recipe. Monogram is also known for its promotion and currently offers a generous rebate program with the purchase of this range and up to $4,500 in rebates. One last thing, you have colored LEDs and can choose different color options. Monogram's 48-inch Pro range lineup has a limited selection of only 2 models. It doesn't have any special functions like steam or induction. The oven is single convection only as well. It's also not available in any custom colors. Paykel offers 5 different dual fuel Pro ranges. Some are very different than what you've seen so far. However, their RHV3-484-N range stands out as the most unique offering. It features a combination of 23,500 BTU and 18,500 BTU burners and 4 induction burners, offering a glimpse into the future of what larger ranges can be. In fact, they'll be offering an all-induction 48-inch range by the end of the year. The other models come with either 8 burners, 6 burners with griddle, a unique 5 burner with a powerful 24,000 larger griddle as well. The Paykel Pro lacks a grill, French top, or accessory ovens like Thermador or Miele, which we'll talk about now. Miele is a family-owned company based in Gütersloh, Germany. They make a pretty unique range. Miele's dual fuel range includes a steam assist feature and a speed oven that can cook food as a microwave, convection, or a combination of both, allowing you to save time while not having the rubbery texture of a microwave. The warming drawer can keep food warm for up to 3 hours without dehydrating it. However, the real highlight of Miele's 48-inch Pro range is their MasterChef control system with steam assist capability. These controls simplify the cooking process by allowing you to select the food, weight, and the oven calculates the time and temperature required. Additionally, Miele offers many automatic cooking programs, including 15 different bread modes using their steam assist functionality. Can't cook in steam like Thermador, but steam assist is great for baking bread and caramelizing tops, as well as adding moisture and flavor to your meats. Miele is also the most cleanable range, including self-cleaning racks and dishwasher-safe grates. However, the range is underpowered compared to other brands at 19,500 and half at 13,600 BTU. Top does not have many options like a grill or French top. Miele is not available in colors and may be too contemporary for some kitchens. And now for a completely unique range from a completely unique company. SKS is the luxury division of LG, and unique is an understatement. One of the standout features of the SKS Pro range is its burner output. The burners are capable of producing 23,000 BTUs of power and some with 15. Additionally, 2 of the burners have a 100 BTU simmer tied with Thermador for the lowest. If you're looking for a range, the griddle, the SKS Pro griddle, has options featuring an easy-to-clean chromium surface. The other option is induction burners and a sous vide option for the stovetop. Like Thermador, the The induction burner on the SKS dual fuel Pro range is a standout feature. It's faster than a Pro gas burner and has a much better simmer. I have to admit, I didn't think much of sous vide before I saw it in action. With sous vide, you can cook with precise results. Simply add your ingredients and marinate in a vacuum sealed bag and wait for it to reach the core temperature for a perfectly cooked meal. Their sous vide meat and the color was perfect. Plus, with sous vide, it stays that way according to the chef, even if you reheat the next day. You must also finish the food on the stovetop to add texture. On the control panel, you'll find a large touch screen. You swipe the mode and then choose your time easily. There are many features, but it's still simple to use and cook by steam, convection, or a combination of both. Thermador offers steam in their oven. SKS is simple to use with their touchscreen interface. Cooking with steam is the best way to retain the integrity of your food to lock in flavor. Everything you cook will taste better in a steam oven. Lastly, SKS has made their Pro range Wi-Fi enabled through LG's ThinQ app. Fortunately, SKS lacks recipe integration in their Wi-Fi feature. There is a limited selection in their lineup. The sous vide is great, but there's a steep learning curve. So what do you think is the best? You can leave it in your comments. If you're looking for an all-gas 48-inch Pro range, then click this link, and thanks for watching.